there, Star here for another review today at Arby's. I got the buffalo chicken slider. Very tiny because it is a slider. It smells spicy and I am scared. Let's bring you in for a close-up. So here is the new Arby's buffalo chicken slider. A crispy chicken tender dipped in spicy buffalo sauce, topped with Parmesan peppercorn ranch. Alright. So there's some free curly fries in there because I ordered curly fries also. So here we go. You see the peppercorn ranch, sauced up chicken tender, the bread. Let's get to eating. Okay, I've never had anything buffalo sauce before, so I hope I don't die. There's a curly fry in there along with my bite. So here we go, new Arby's buffalo chicken slider. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I got a drink from Sonic because when I went to go order, I just ordered the sliders and everything. And I didn't think about a drink, and afterwards I was like, fuck, it's like it's gonna be spicy. So Sonic's right next door, and the peach iced tea, sweet iced tea, best. I'm sure I've mentioned that before. I think I thought it was gonna be worse than it was. Like, my mouth is tingling and like my lips, but it does die down. The chicken's really good. The bread was pretty good, and what I assume is buffalo sauce. That was buffalo saucy. So if you like spicy and buffalo sauce and chicken, this is something to get. I would recommend it. I wouldn't get it again just because it does burn, and I'm not big on suffering while I am eating, but it's still flavorful. There is a good flavor to it. Let me know if you've seen about it, heard about it, if you're gonna go get it and try it, and if you liked it, please let me know what else you would like me to review. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you already haven't. Leave a comment down below so we can talk, and I will see y'all in the next review. Bye!